All right, now private home sales in Singapore in July rose to the highest since last November. Analysts say a key reason could be safe haven buying from foreign and local buyers amid global economic uncertainties. Deborah Wong tells us more.
Analysts say July's figures are positive, with 43.5% more private residential units sold as compared to June. However, year-on-year figures have dropped by 31.7% as buyers raced to snap up homes before the launch of new cooling measures in July last year. They were trying to avoid having to pay higher additional buyer's stamp duty or coughing out more cash upfront under the new cooling measures. This July, analysts reported higher sales in condo projects that were launched before and during the month. Hot buys include One Pearl Bank, which sits near the city centre. Analysts say that despite the slowing economy, sales have gone up, with the bulk of local buyers spending conservatively around and below the $2 million mark. One analyst attributed the rise in sales to property investments, which may be a less risky option in uncertain times.
I think more investors, or even the buyers themselves, they are thinking of investing into safer assets, as we have seen in the case of gold. So I think that is what we are also seeing in the real estate market. People are trying to invest into what they perceive as safer assets in real estate compared to maybe buying stocks, which is more volatile under current market conditions.
While there are concerns in the immediate term, we are not in recession, economy is still growing except slower. But what's important to the buyer nowadays is the housing prices are quite stable, and developers are actually mindful of that, and they are actually pricing their projects at the sweet spot, which actually help to drive sales.
He added that the growth could also be due to en-bloc sales in the last 2 years, where the sellers are now on the prowl for replacement homes. Another analyst observed that foreign buyers have also bought pricier homes in Singapore this year for capital preservation. 27% of new condos priced above $3 million was sold to foreigners in the first 7 months of this year. That's the highest percentage since a 30.5% record in 2007. But analysts caution that sales are expected to slow in August due to the lunar Hungry Ghost month, which is widely considered to be inauspicious.